Page 169, Allegro in B flat major by Mozart. Allegro is fast. I'm not going to take it fast, but you'll get the idea, I hope. We're in the key of B flat major, obviously, by the title. Duh. Okay. I have a few suggestions here. Let's talk about the right hand. Your pickup beat at the beginning is staccato. I recommend a light finger staccato, even though it's forte is loud. But, and then 2-note slurs, down, up, down, up. Now some people would play that with a staccato on the second note of the slur. I don't. They would do that. I like a fuller sound on the second note, so I don't. And then it's a 4-2, and then I use a 1 on the A, and then a 4. Going on, 1, 2 on the measure with the, you see that measure, it's the fourth measure from the end. It's 2 G's, 2 A's. I do a 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's starting with a pickup, it's 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Again, and notice that's soft there, it's an echo. So the first time you do it, it's loud. And then you echo it. Going on, you're loud again. Now, second line, first measure, look at this. They're saying thumb on 2 notes. Well, it's between phrases, you can get away with it. I just don't like that fingering. I suggest a 1, starting with 4, 1, and then a 5, 2, and then a 4, 2. So, and then a 1 on the F, the staccato F in the second measure. Again, in the next measure for the staccato F, a 1. Third line down's fine. Don't forget the E flats. They're E flats, remember. We're in the key of B flat major. And then it goes back to what you were doing at the beginning. In the left hand, pretty much play it like it is. It's just, it falls under the fingers nicely. And when you get to the E flats in the first line, if you don't want to put a thumb on that note, then play the D, the pickup note to that with third finger. Second line, second measure, the last note, fourth finger like they've got it. But then 2 measures later, that pickup beat is with third finger. You'll get the rest of it. Just follow the fingering they've got is fine. Now, watch the dynamics. They add a lot to it. Let's try it out just really, really slowly, just to double check the notes and the rhythms. It has a pickup beat, but it's a 2/4 time, so I'm going to give us 2 beats, and we come in on the and of 2. So it's like 1 and 2, etc. So be ready. Here and here. Okay. Ready and go.